In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a table component in Glide. Begin by opening the Glide app where you want the table to appear. Before adding the component, go into the Data section and select the table you intend to display. Verify that all the information in this table is accurate and properly structured, as the table component will reflect exactly what is stored in your data. Once your table is ready, navigate to the Layout section and open the screen where you want to place the table. Click the plus icon in the Components section on the left-hand side and type Table in the search box. Drag and drop the table component into your layout. Next, in the Source menu on the right-hand side, select the appropriate data table you want to display. You can also switch to Desktop View to see a wider representation of your table. If certain fields from your data do not appear in the table layout, Glide may have omitted them to fit the screen. To include all fields, scroll down in the right-hand menu to the Column section and click Add Item for each field you wish to display. Double-check that both the values and headers match your original data. Continue this process until all desired fields are added, ensuring the table component accurately represents your data. And this is how you can add a table component in Glide.